Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we are going to be discussing one of the most important things in this whole course, all right? So I want you to pay very close attention. It's going to be a really good lecture, all right? So turn off your phones and focus, all right? Now, we are going to be abstracting attributes. And why is this so important? Well, because we can actually reuse some of the methods here in other classes. That way we can just copy and paste when we need certain methods to other classes and we don't have to rewrite them again. All right, that's going to make us a lot better programmers and it's going to save us a bunch of time. You see, right now we already abstracted the table name. So, for example, this delete method right here, we can use this delete with any other class that we create in the future. So, for example, we create a class with, let's say, called pictures, and we create a table called photo. All right. So we paste that code in there. We paste this attribute, this property, and we just change this to that table name, and that's it, right? But imagine we have many different methods. If we have this here a couple times pasted, maybe different values of different, of course this would be probably the keys, the values, or whatever. All right, we can just change the value up here and it will affect everything below. So it's very good to be abstracting things. All right, so in this lecture, let's go ahead and abstract attributes. Now, I already said that we can use the delete with no problem, since all we are doing here is referring to that table name and we already abstracted that up there. All right, so but we have a problem with our update and our create methods, since we're using specific attributes for that object, right? For the user, we're using the username, which is a column in our table, the password, the first name and last name. If we had a different class, it would have different fields in the table. So this would create an error if we try to use it over there in our other class. All right, what we need to do is we need to create some type of array, all right, to actually loop through these attributes and separate them. Separate the attributes, separate the keys, and separate the values. So we can actually make an associative array and have this here attributes as the keys and have this as the values. So we can put the keys up here and then we can put the values of that array down here. All right, so hopefully you understand the concept here, what I'm trying to explain to you. If not, don't worry, it's going to click very soon. All right, so I just wanted to let you know what we were going to be doing and explain to you. In the next lecture, we're going to be actually starting this whole process, and hopefully you if you have any questions, I'm here 24/7. Well, not 24/7, but most of the time. All right, and just ask me. But go ahead, go to the next lecture and let's start coding our abstraction.